So, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, and it's generating a lot of excitement. However, before making a purchase, it's essential to ask yourself an important question. Is it worth upgrading from last year's Galaxy S24 Ultra? Both devices boast impressive specifications, but a few key differences could influence your decision. Let's start with design. Samsung has refreshed the look this year. The S24 Ultra featured a sharp rectangular design that gave off a business class feel, akin to a sleek notebook. In comparison, the S25 Ultra sports softer, rounded corners and flatter edges, which enhance comfort during use. While these curves might feel great in your hand, it seems Samsung is stepping away from the signature Ultra look, leaning more towards the style of the S25 and S25 Plus models. If you appreciated the bold and elegant design of the S24 Ultra, you might find yourself missing its unique appearance. Next up is the display. Both phones boast a vibrant dynamic AMOLED screen with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. The S25 Ultra's display is just slightly larger, by 0.1 inches, compared to the S24 Ultra, but honestly, you probably won't notice that tiny difference unless you're really looking for it. However, both devices shine brightly with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, making them quite usable even in bright sunlight. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is equipped with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which provides a notable performance boost. Samsung claims improvements of up to 37% in CPU speed, a 30% increase in graphics, and a 40% enhancement in AI functionalities. This chip directly rivals Apple's A18 Pro, making it an excellent choice for gaming and multitasking enthusiasts. That said, the RAM and storage options remain the same as the S24 Ultra, with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, which should be ample for most users. The S25 Ultra also brings a revamped vapor cooling system that's 40% larger, aimed at maintaining efficiency during intense tasks. This could be especially beneficial for gamers or those working on video editing. However, it remains uncertain if this upgraded cooling system will significantly outperform the S24 Ultra in real-world usage. Now, let's dive into the cameras. Samsung has made a significant improvement here. The S24 Ultra's 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens has been upgraded to 50 megapixels in the S25 Ultra. Both models retain the fantastic 200-megapixel main lens and strong zoom features, meaning the main advantage of the new ultra-wide lens is its enhanced detail. Additionally, the software has become smarter, so even with minor hardware changes, your photos should appear a bit more polished and crisp. Regarding the S Pen, if you enjoyed features like remote camera control and air actions on the S24 Ultra, you might be disappointed to hear that these options are absent in the S25 Ultra. The updated S Pen does have a finer tip that's better for note-taking, but if you relied on those additional features, sticking with the S24 Ultra might be the best option for you. When it comes to battery life, both devices feature the same 5,000 mAh capacity, ensuring reliable performance just like last year. They both support 45-watt charging, but the S25 Ultra has added support for Qi, 2 wireless charging, though you'll need a specific case to make full use of it. And wireless charging speeds can reach a maximum of 15 watts. So, is the S25 Ultra worth the upgrade? If you're after the latest processor, a slightly larger and improved display, plus some exciting new AI features in One UI 7, then it could be a worthwhile investment. The new AI capabilities, like the upgraded Gemini Assistant and audio removal for videos, are impressive and will soon be available for older models. However, if you're looking for early access, the S25 Ultra is definitely the way to go. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra still holds its ground as a powerful device. If you can snag it at a discount or on sale, it could be an irresistible deal. You'll still enjoy an excellent camera system, a top-notch display, and plenty of power. So, if you don't feel a strong need for the latest features, the S24 Ultra will do just fine for a while. In the end, both devices are outstanding, but your choice really depends on whether you want the newest performance upgrades or if the solid features of the S24 Ultra meet your needs. What do you think? Are you ready to try the S25 Ultra, or does the S24 Ultra still win your heart?